Hello. This presentation will focus on Human Subjects Protection Training and the Collaborative Institutional Training Initiative, also known as CITI program. My name is Svetlana Bagdasarov, and I'm the Research Compliance Officer for the Division of Research and Graduate Studies here at Fresno State. So, what does the Human Subjects Research course provide? Well, the CITI HSR course provides foundational training in human subjects research. It includes all the historical development of human subjects protections, ethical issues, as well as current regulatory and guidance information. It's suitable for any person involved in human subjects research, ranging from undergraduates to established faculty. CITI program uses case studies and video examples, and it also satisfies institutional and funding agency requirements. How does one complete CITI training? First off, please visit the CITI program website. Once inside the website, either log into your current account or register for a new account. Please be sure to select California State University, Fresno as your institution during the registration process. Once registered, add the most applicable course to your queue. CITI offers numerous human subjects protection courses, such as social and behavioral research, biomedical research, research with data or laboratory specimens, as well as a course especially for IRB members or Institutional Review Board members. Once you select the most applicable course, please complete the course. The course can take anywhere from an hour to 4 hours to complete, but don't worry, it does not need to be completed in one sitting. You can log off and log back in at any time. CITI saves all of your work. Once you complete the course, CITI program will issue a completion report in addition to a completion certificate, which will be good for 3 years. Students, if you're not sure what course to choose, either choose one which closely matches your research field or consult with your advisor, and they should be able to help you figure out which course to choose and complete. Please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help you every step of the way, from registration to courses to any and all questions you may have regarding CITI program. Thank you.